Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Hollowitz from the John Anthony Group, and I want to thank you for being part of our training today. Today, I want to talk to you about something regarding Microsoft Excel, and that something is how to use the help feature in Microsoft Excel. When you want to look for something in Microsoft Excel, if you go up and click on Help and then Microsoft Excel Help, this box on the right-hand side will pop out, and it will give you the opportunity to search for things. So for example, if I want to learn about merging two rows, let's say that I have row 3 and 4 and I have data in it, and I want to merge those two rows. Or another way to think of it is maybe merging two columns. Maybe I have my first name in this column right here and my last name in this column, and I have a whole list of names. Well, I might decide that for whatever reason, instead of having to deal with this is two columns, I want to have it as one column with all the names merged. And there is a way to do that, which I'm going to discuss specifically in an upcoming tutorial. But having said that, sometimes when you use Excel, you need to take a different mentality with Excel in this day and age. Now keep in mind, this is Excel 2003, and it came out quite some time ago. Having said that, yeah, we can use the help feature, but my experience with the help feature in Microsoft Office is unless you know exactly what it is, the help feature can be a little frustrating. So for example, I'm going to come here and click on, I typed in previously merging two rows. I'm going to click on the green arrow to start the search. Now, this is my feeling, my opinion, but my feeling is a lot of times the information that comes up is really off the mark. So I want to suggest something. When you use Microsoft Excel, a lot of times you have no idea what things are called. You have no idea how to describe it. But a good way to look at Microsoft Excel is think in your mind of this. If you have a problem or an issue, chances are pretty good other people have problems or issues that are the same. In other words, if you're trying to merge two columns together, just like I'm considering here to make it one column, how do you do that? Well, instead of getting caught up in the help feature over here, what I do recommend is forget about that help and focus on using Google. Now, Google is the most popular search engine, so that's why I recommend Google. But in other words, instead of wasting a lot of time there, search for it in Google. I'm not going to show you all the results, but I just want to show you that in my opinion, you get more information this way in more real people language than you do in the help section, because the help section in Excel really relies on you knowing what things are called, in my opinion. So the point I'm trying to make here, the main point I'm trying to make, is when you don't know how to do something in Excel, half of the problem is you don't know what things are called, so you can't look it up to find out how to do it. Go in to Google and search for things the way you would ask a question of an instructor. Say, how do I do this? Now obviously another thing you can do is you can contact my office and you can say, how do you do this? If we don't have a tutorial for it, then what we will do is we'll try to record a tutorial. So we're always looking for ideas on things that you find useful. So if you can't find it in Excel, you can't find it in Google, email us, contact us, let us know what you're trying to do, and we'll try to record a tutorial for you addressing that. Because again, if you have that question or issue, other people do as well. So Excel is a little bit different mentality. Think about it in terms of, yeah, most likely other people have the issue, and most likely there's an answer to my question out there if I use Google and type in real human language. Type what the question is and try it. My name is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you very much for being here. Have a great day.